Welcome to the world of style. Since its foundation in 1991, Style has been the Dutch machine builder of CNC lathes and milling machines. From development to the end product, from the unique style control to the service entirely in-house. This makes Style a well-known and reliable supplier for companies that specialize in the production of single pieces and small series. Next to the head office in Boonschot and Spakenburg, there are sales offices in Belgium, the Czech Republic and Poland. At the head office, you will find the marketing, project team, sales support and logistics. Our customer support is available every day. They make the difference and exceed the expectations of our customers. From commissioning a machine on location, remote support on the machine, to the rapid delivery of the necessary parts. This is reinforced by the high percentage of repeat purchases. Our two R&D departments ensure the continuous development of our machines and our in-house developed CNC control. The heart of Style is the innovative CNC control, a very accessible CNC control for both the novice chipper and the experienced operator. This control is the solution for you as an employer. Several employees can easily and quickly handle the Style control. As a result, the company is not dependent on a single CNC machine operator or automation. A stable dealer network in Europe ensures that customers from Europe can do business with Style in confidence. In addition, we believe in cooperation, trust and loyalty, which means that we have been successful together with many dealers with customers who produce single piece and small series. All machines are made in the Netherlands. We therefore keep the quality in our own hands and use high-quality parts from worldwide known suppliers. The Style machines are equipped with motors and drives from Fanuc, which guarantees quality. We ensure the continuity of our machines with our unique and reliable manufacturer service. In the Experience Centre, potential customers from home and abroad can view, test and experience all CNC machines and the unique Style control software, even remotely. Style wants to be a great machine builder and employer. Everyone within Style works according to the 5 core values. It is important to have passion for what you do. Be proud of your work. Be loyal to each other on all levels. Have an active attitude that benefits the working atmosphere. And last but not least, have fun.